Hello, welcome again. On this section, I'm going to teach you how to turn your whiteboard sketches into a full-on mobile prototype. So whatever we draw on the sketches, we're going to turn those screens into screens that you can actually use on your phone. We're going to add transitions between them. We're going to add like hotkeys, hot points, and it's going to be awesome. So let's go to what we are going to design. We're going to design a sign-up flow. It's going to be pretty simple. It's going to have only 6 screens. On these 6 screens, we're going to have first the welcome screen. The welcome screen, we're going to have the sign up with your email and sign up with Facebook buttons. Also, from there, we're going to have the screen where we have the login form. So in there, we're going to have the name, username, email, and password. And from there, we're going to have the writing info screen. So we're going to put the keyboard there. And then from there, we're going to have an error message. That's something we want to design on our prototype. Also, we're going to sign up success. That's the good stuff, right? Once everything is centered, and then what happens after that? And then after that, the content screen. The content screen is going to be pretty simple. It's just like once you are inside the app. So let's begin drawing.